So in this example right here, example number 4, we are going to be evaluating again some more special cases of logs. And so just check it out. I mean, really, we have these cool little quick 4 rules right here. We're not going to go through the proof of these, but we're just going to try to just plug these in here real quick just to see how you can get the answers rather quickly here. So starting with this first one, log base 10 of 10, like what is that going to give us? Well, if we just use our rule right here, if when we have the same base and the same number that we're taking the log of, then it's just going to be 1, right? So that means I could just say that this answer right here is just going to be 1. And that should make sense, right? Because if you were to convert this into exponential form, this right here would mean 10 to the power of what equals 10. Well, x has to be 1, right? And so really that's what this is saying right here. If your base and what you're taking the log of, if they're the same number, the answer is always going to be 1, because you're always going to get this kind of thing here where these are always the same thing, and that means when you take anything, raise it to the power of 1, you're going to get itself. How about this right here, right? So if we just applied this rule right here, well, the answer should just be 0. But why is it 0? Well, because if I convert this into exponential form, this means 8 to the power of what equals 1. And we know that when you raise anything to the power of 0, right, like 8 to the power of 0, that's going to give us 1. And so that's why anytime that you see this form, then you can just automatically say 1. Such as like this, right? I could say, okay, well, that's 1. Because what we're taking the log of is 1. Now look at this guy right here. And this is going to be using this first rule. And that is that when our log and the number that we're the base, when they're the same, then the answer is going to be 9. So that's pretty simple there. Same thing right here. The answer is just 3 using this rule right here. And then lastly, for this guy, it's not very apparent what this is, but you could, though, if we were going to apply the rules up there, is we can rewrite this as log base 3 of 3 to the power of 4, right? So now we can apply this rule right here, and so the answer is just 4.